Hi, my name's Barney. I'm a plumber in the UK. I just wanted to show you inside the Tech Pac MC, which is my new latest blackout bag, which I've only just loaded up, and I think it's a great looking bag and really practical. Inside the front pocket, I've got my tool check wearer, which fits perfect in there. You've got another zip pocket on the front where you can put, I don't know, business cards or a few bits and pieces in, small. You've got your main bag, zip there, which opens. Inside I've got my wearer, tools, I've got stabilizer level, got all general tools you'd use in the plumbing trade. File, adjustable spanners. It's got loads of compartments, keeps all the tools nice and upright. You've got your magnet built into the front. You've got side pockets with your tape loop. You've got your 4 spaces on the two on either side for you can put your torch in. You can put your little spanners in. I've got some pick a pencil. I've got a pen. And you've got your tape loop. Then at the back, you've got your obviously Veto Pro Pack solid handle, well designed. Then you've got a solid metal clip that clips onto the back for your backpack. And also, it's a nice padded, so it protects your back. You can undo both zips, which are the new zips they're using, where you can padlock together. I've got my Nearad mat for diverting water. Got enough room in there for all your little bits. I've got my meter gauge. I've got a base and wrench in there. I've got my Bosch digital tape. I've got electrical screwdrivers. I've got my mini grease gun. You've got loads of different pockets, neoprene pockets. I've got my Rothenberger pipe cutter. Loads of room for little bits and pieces. You've got also these inside lays come out and you can interchange them when they bring them out in the UK. So you can actually do it for a tablet or anything to put in instead if you don't want to carry tools in this side. Also at the top, as you see, it clips in. I don't know if you can see, which reinforces all the backpack. I just love it. It's a great size for travelling, very padded.